Introducing the Flite App, your digital co-pilot for every ride. The Flite App connects every part of your ride from setup to stats. It keeps your board, controller and flight cell updated, synced and performing at their best. But it's more than just a control hub, it's your support companion with instant access to step-by-step guides, setup videos and maintenance tutorials, all built into the app. When you need help, Finn, our AI assistant, is ready 24/7 to answer questions, troubleshoot or guide you to the right resource. You'll also find in-app access to the flight support portal where you can browse detailed articles, watch update walkthroughs and stay current with the latest features. Beyond setup, the Flite App brings riders together. Compete on the global leaderboard, track your sessions and challenge other riders one-on-one. Discover popular ride locations, share performance stats and celebrate progress with the wider flight community.